This is the definitive guide to resolving the frustrating a-second connection delay and incorrect Wi-Fi password errors plaguing your Poco X8 Pro HyperOS. Having personally navigated these exact connectivity challenges, I've meticulously explored and validated several effective solutions, and I'm now ready to impart this crucial knowledge. First, method 1 addresses the fundamental network handshake by restarting your router, which clears temporary glitches, followed by forgetting the network to force a fresh connection, and meticulously re-entering the password to eliminate typos. We also check the router band for optimal compatibility and ensure your device software is up to date, as outdated versions can cause network conflicts. Clearing network settings and rebooting the device provide a clean slate for network operations. Method 2 delves deeper by resetting all network settings, ensuring no corrupted configurations persist, then reconfirming password accuracy and actively checking for common Wi-Fi interference sources. Analyzing router logs can reveal underlying issues, while force-stopping the Wi-Fi service and rebooting the device further purges any lingering network daemons. Method 3 focuses on HyperOS specifics, recommending an update to patch known bugs, ensuring correct date and time settings for secure authentication, and disabling VPNs, which can sometimes disrupt normal network traffic. Clearing the cache partition removes temporary system files that might be causing the delay, and resetting app preferences ensures the Wi-Fi service isn't hindered by misconfigured applications. Method 4 tackles advanced configurations, checking DNS settings for faster resolution, exploring static IP configuration for a stable connection, and updating router firmware to the latest version. Testing a different network helps isolate the issue, disabling Wi-Fi scanning conserves resources, and ultimately, restoring factory defaults provides a complete system reset if all else fails, ensuring your Poco X8 Pro HyperOS connects swiftly and accurately every time.